In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix any problem you have in your Telegram app. So the first way is go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and after 10 seconds disable it. That's the first way. The second way is go back again to the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the app, scroll until you find Telegram and click on it. Click on force stop and then go to the data usage. Make sure that all these options are enabled like that, and then go back, click on storage, click on clear cache. As you can see, I cleared all the cache. That's the second way. The third way and last one is just go into the Play Store like that, search for Telegram and update it. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.